How to pay a parking ticket in New York City. Go to the NYC government website first of all, the official website of the government for the city of the New York. From this page you can find information and make payments for many different services including the parking tickets. From the home page, click the Make Payment box and select Parking Ticket from the drop-down menu. Then provide your violation number. On the payment page, enter the 10-digit number found on your parking ticket. If you don't have the actual ticket handy, you can also look up the ticket by entering your license tag number and the state where your car is registered. If you have a specialty plate such as a commercial or dealer plate, choose it from the drop-down menu under Type and click Next after verifying the information you have entered is correct. Then enter your payment information. Online payments are accepted using a major credit or debit card or an electronic check. You can also use a prepaid or gift card with either a Visa or MasterCard logo. If you pay with a credit or debit card, a 2.49% service fee will be added to your total. You will see this fee listed separately on your banking or credit card statement with the NYC Department of Finance as the merchant. Then print your confirmation. Once your payment is received, you will see a confirmation page. Depending on the time and day of the week you make your payment, it may take 2 to 4 days for the payment to post to your bank account or credit card. Keep your ticket so you can follow up the status of your payment, especially if you have waited until the last minute. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.